You guys, today we're going to try a super easy recipe for homemade donuts. It only takes 10 minutes. Start by adding into a bowl 3 cups of flour and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Mix well and create in the middle a hole to help you add the next ingredients. Add 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and half a cup of milk. Mix well until it forms a smooth mass. Write in the comments below where you are watching us from so that I can personally thank you for following our recipes. We are super curious. From now on, use your hands to mix the mass, as it is not possible to use a spatula. This is how we want it to look like. Put the mass on a board. Stretch the dough with your hands a little. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix again until the baking powder is absorbed with the mass. Take a piece of the dough. Roll the dough with a rolling pin. You will have to stop when it is not too thick nor too thin. Cut the donuts using a cup. Then cut again in the middle using an object with a smaller diameter to create the donut's hole. It needs to look like this. Repeat the process with the rest of the mass. Fry the donuts in oil, not too hot to prevent any burning. When the bottom part turns gold, flip on the other side and keep frying. If you are still watching the video, you are loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below, "I love donuts." Fry every donut using the same process. You guys, this recipe is incredibly delicious. It tastes amazing. Now coat the donuts with some sugar as a final touch. And our recipe is done. Crunchy on the outside, but super soft on the inside. Perfect for breakfast or as an afternoon snack. I'm sure everyone in your family will love it. Try it at home and let me know what you think. I really hope you liked our recipe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!